Good evening, YouTube. Bill number 3 down here in the Carolinas. We got up on the table today is a 1x4. It's 122.90. Driving 428.79. This is for Soul over here in Greensboro, North Carolina. And this thing had some. When he brought it in, he could put a quarter watt into it from his radio, and it would dead key about 300, and he couldn't get it down any. You go down to hardly anything, and it would still be 200 or so. And I kind of figured out his problems. Some of this stuff was half sorted in. I don't know if you can see the solder on that right there, but yeah, she's a big old glob of mess. This was sitting in between the 1 pill and the 4 pill, so it was sitting there like that, and I think it comes up to about 9 ohm. I don't know what it's trying to do there. And this is the attenuation, I guess, he had in between the variable and the 1 pill. So I think it comes up as hundredths. So it comes up to about 25 ohm. And the relays was just sitting there dangling. A little double stick tape done gave way, but it was just sticking up, and they had these wires kind of run over. I really had to switch out relays, but I switched these out. So basically what I done was pulled out all these parts and upgraded it some, got it back working like it ought to. It had soldered this gobs of it in there. It looked like I changed out the peel strips and the 1000s there, and I really didn't have another silver dip mica, so you used a metal clad. Kind of expensive way to do it, but okay. And the solder looks like all it was water-based solder to use, because it just it wouldn't take very well, and it didn't take no heat to get it off either. But this is that thing ready to go now, and I got about 3/4 of a watt into it now. I think it's about 3/4 of a watt. About 3/4 of a watt. And it had some talk through watts in it. So some reflect through it when amp was powered off, so I got that down. Hello, barely moving. And he turned the switch around on it upside up. So down is on, up is off. He switched that, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So that's the amp on. This reflect coming back towards the radio. 5 watt slug in reverse. Going back towards the Kirby 29. Audio, hello, good and low, good and low. This 50 watt slug going in reverse is going to a dummy load. Audio. This is the 1000 watt slug. This is in the RMS. Audio. About 500 bird. Turn the peak kit on. Audio. He's slamming that 1000 pretty good. Like I said, this is Toshiba's, and some Toshiba's a little stronger than others. I like him HGs now. They working out real good. But we just went in here and upgraded a little bit. Got him back going. So with a 3/4 of a watt going in there now, you can a little bit over 100. Audio. We're just slamming that meter. Doing real good. I think Soul's gonna like this one. Took all that junk out of it and kind of put less parts into it. I mean, this was laying back in the back. It was two of them. One of them was over here, and relays was sitting there just dangling all over, and had jump wires run to everything. This was sitting here, and the wire was jumped all the way down out to the keying circuit, and then these black wires was jumped over out to the input and the output. And like I said, it was just dangling up now. So we got that out there. Some of that 300-pound double stick tape down there. And she's doing real good. Got no issues. We put a 4.7 now. 4.7 now. So working pretty good. Hope you like it, Soul. Appreciate you. Have a good day. Field number 3 down here in the Carolinas. Later.